Good morning, freshmen. This is the time that you're going to log into Xello and ensure that you have completed lesson 1 for the month of November. I know that you may feel like you have completed it, but what we're seeing is that some of you are turning the assignment, but you're not doing the lesson. So the first thing that you'll do is you'll log into PowerSchool using your username and password. Then you will go to that right-hand corner where there's a box with an arrow. Click on that where you will sign into Xello. When you sign into Xello, it will look very similar to this. You're going to scroll down to where it says assignment. You're going to click on the assignment. Even if you said that you've completed it, you still need to click on it because it gives you the instructions. Click on the actual lesson and it will download and you will read all the things that you should be doing in that lesson. At the bottom, it says, when you are finished with lesson 1, the personality style, please complete the assignment by telling me what career choice or choices have you made? How does your personality style fit with the career that you like? Complete your answer in the box on Xello like shown below and turn in. You can X out of that. You're going to make sure that you have completed the personality style. If you've completed it, it will have a green circle with a white check mark. If not, you need to finish that and then go to the assignment, type in your answer, and turn that in. Those are the 2 steps that you have to have completed to ensure that your November lesson is done. Thank you. If you have questions, let me know and have a good day.